In this vlog, we will see how to make a retrofit call in Flutter. So generally, we have seen few general topics till now in Flutter. So today we will make a network call and we will fetch the data from API and we'll try to populate it on a list view in Flutter. So before getting any further, let us see what are the requirements here. So we need to add retrofit in dependencies. So here I am not mentioning any specific version, so here we are specifying any, and also JSON annotations, and also retrofit generator. So we will be seeing what we will do with this retrofit generator and build runner. Okay, so these are the four things we need to make sure we add them before proceeding any further. So let us get into the topic. So here you can see we have declared a list view, and in this list view we will be passing the data which we are getting from the list, which we are getting from the API we are parsing. Okay, so first we need to go through this particular file, and here I have specified a URL. So here we are making a get call and we are passing all the variables. So this is the data which we are getting from the API. So this is familiar to that of the way we deal in Android. So it's a similarity we are finding here. So let us see what we are getting from the API. Here you can see this is the data. So index, name, picture, all these variables we are getting from the API. So we are passing only few variables in this example. I am taking name, picture and email address. So the first thing we need to do is, after writing this file, we need to generate this particular file. So this is a retrofit generator. This file is being generated by the retrofit generator. Here we have specified, right? Okay, you need to run a command flutter pub run builder build dot run, finally build. So running this particular command will generate you a script. So as we have already generated the script, I will be showing you the file here. So here is the file which is been generated after doing the terminal process. So here you can see this particular thing is been generated and we will make use of the result. So in the main dot we have declared a method build body to which we are passing context as a parameter. So using which we will be checking whether the snapshot.connection state is equals to connection state dot done. So whenever the API calling is successfully completed, then this particular block of code will be executed. Till then we will be showing a circular progress indicator as you have seen. So after the successfully completion of the API call, we will be returning this particular build post, and also here with the parameters like context, and also the data is being also passed on. So here we are passing these two parameters, and based on these parameters we will try to build a list. So the length of the list is considered to be the number of items we are trying to display. So here we are finding out the length and we are adding a basic padding here, and then we are trying to make a card view inside which we have provided an elevation, and we have declared a child as a list tile, and then inside the list tile we have specified the text as a name we have considered, and in subtitle we have considered email address, and I have added one more thing like leading, inside which I have considered an image. So we are having more than 5 to 6 parameters variables in the JSON, right? So I am trying to show you only three here. You may try according to your requirement. So here I am just showing a basic version of list view. So I am trying with these simple parameters only. So here with the help of image network, I have passed here the URL of the image, and I have also specified the width and height here. So the result is this way. We can see our list is loaded, and here you can see the images. Actually the images are the same 32 by 32 it is declared. Those are sample images. So it's the thing we are getting. Its images are successfully loading here because we are getting the same from API also. If you try to load this API, here you can see we are getting the same image. So it's not any problem. In real time your images will surely be appearing there. So this is it for this tutorial. If you are having any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below, and also try to follow previous tutorials so as to get a better experience in making your applications. And do let us know your queries in comment section below, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos coming up on Flutter.